Hi guys, welcome to my channel. How to download brother MFC J1010DW driver. So open any browsers and Google search box to type as it is same, and first website to right click to new tab, because this is brother officially website. So guys, if you need to different operating systems, so you can change like different available Mac, Linux for mobiles, okay, like Android and all. So in Windows 11, because my operating system is Windows 11, and you have to change the Windows 10 32-bit, 64-bit, 8 and 7 and servers all are available. So then click to choose operating system, then click to okay. Then guys, all are full setups and drivers, firmwares and uninstall tool, brother I printer scanners, all software updates and all firmware and all are available on these sites. So if you need to only drivers, so select this one, otherwise you have to download and run. Okay, simple click to full driver software package, then slow down, agree and download. Wait few seconds to automatically install download. Start for download. Then guys, double click to launch, then run. This is extract your data in your system. Again yes. Then guys, this is installations page. So first step is you can change your language, your country language, different all are available, and check it. Then guys, click to next, I agree, and license management, and again click to next. So guys, in this printers available installations types, two types to install, one of the Wi-Fi and one of the by USB. So I suggest you install by firstly USB file, connect to your desktop laptop USB to and connect the printers, then try this one next, and then connect to Wi-Fi. Okay, thank you.